A BBC investigation has uncovered allegations of brutal beatings and torture by soldiers in Indian-administered Kashmir. It's been 25 days since the Indian government withdrew the region's semi-autonomous status, leading to a clampdown on dissent and thousands of arrests. The Indian Army has described the allegations as baseless. Kashmir is claimed by both Pakistan and India, with the nuclear-armed neighbours controlling different sections of the state. Stripping Indian-administered Kashmir of significant autonomy is being seen by some as a drive by the Hindu nationalist government for more control over India's only Muslim-majority state. Despite a near communications blackout, Samir Hashmi has been inside Kashmir, from where he sent this report, some of which you may find distressing.
Behind these razor wires lies an uneasy calm. Restrictions everywhere we go. But for many Kashmiris, the crackdown has come at a cost. We have come to investigate disturbing allegations. Soldiers came here, we are told, looking for violent protesters. 13 men were allegedly pulled from their beds, tortured and beaten. These brothers, like all the people we spoke to, were too scared to reveal their identities. We saw their injuries.
लात भी मारा, डंडे भी मारा, पावर भी लगाया, केबल से मारा। हम पूछ रहे, हम बोल रहे थे हमारा कसूर क्या है, कुछ नहीं सुना, हमें किसी की नहीं सुना, न कुछ बोला, सिर्फ पीटते थे। हर जगह मारा, हर जगह, जिस्म पे हर जगह मारा। पावर टच इसलिए देते थे वो कि हम मारने से बेहोश होते थे, फिर वो टच देते थे, उससे हमको होश आता था फिर वापस। मिट्टी डाली मुंह में, चिल्लाओ मत, चिल्लाओ मत, चिल्लाते क्यों हो? हमने उनको बोला भी कि आप मारो मत, गोली मारो, गोली चलाओ। हम खुदा से मांगते थे कि गोली लगाए, क्योंकि उनके जो वो टार्चर बर्दाश्त नहीं होता था।
हाँ दिखाई। Still in shock, this man shows pictures of his bruises. He believes he was targeted because he's a Muslim.
थोड़ा होश में था, ऐसा उन्होंने खींचा, मुझे लगा शायद उन्होंने मुझे दांत ही निकाले, इतना जोर से खींचा। फिर जब मैं फिर से बेहोश हो गया तो मेरे पर एक लड़का था, उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने जलाने की कोशिश की, किसी ने शायद उन फौजों में किसी ने क्या कुछ बताया कि उसको मत जलाओ।
We put these claims to the army, who responded with a written statement. The allegations are baseless and unsubstantiated. The Indian Army has not manhandled any civilians as alleged. Security forces operate strictly to ensure safety and security of civilians. The Indian Army is a professional organization that understands and respects human rights. Kashmir has been mired in conflict for decades. It's one of the most militarized zones in the world. There is huge sympathy here for the militant groups, who are seen by many as fighting for freedom from Indian rule. Animosity between Indian security forces and locals runs deep. Often it's civilians who get caught in the battle. It's not just one village where allegations of torture have emerged. We have been told that several people across this region have faced similar experiences. We have come to a militant stronghold. Locals led us to this house, where they say soldiers tortured a young man. His brother is a militant.
दोनों हाथ निकाले, फिर यहाँ पर रस्सी बांधी उन्होंने, टांग ऊपर भी रस्सी बांधी और उल्टा लटकाया, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा मारा, तकरीबन 2-2.5 घंटे तक। टांग में फिर ये जो ऊपरी हिस्से टांग का तो उसमें फ्रैक्चर आया।
Across the rest of India, there will be little sympathy for the families of militants. They see them as Pakistani-sponsored terrorists. Many have celebrated Prime Minister Modi's bold move to revoke Kashmir's special status. Authorities say that they are gradually lifting some of the restrictions, but internet and mobile phones remain shut down. Thousands are in detention. Kashmir has been virtually cut off from the rest of the world, and anger here is growing. Samir Hashmi, BBC News, Indian-administered Kashmir.
Samir Hashmi with that special investigation from Kashmir.